Hello guys, welcome to Plus Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Some members of the indigenous people of Biafra were at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday for the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the proscribed group. There was commotion as a policeman confronted members of the group outside the court. There is currently a presence of heavy security at the court ahead of the trial of the IPOB leader. The members, numbering about 30, arrived at the court but were not allowed into the court premises. They gathered opposite the court and started chanting in support of Kanu and demanding his freedom. A police officer asked them to disperse. His request resulted in a heated exchange with the IPOB members, which led to a hot chase. They were later dispersed by policemen on guard. Kanu was rearraigned before Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja on June 29 after being intercepted and extradited to Nigeria. His trial was adjourned till July 26 for hearing. Kanu is facing charges bordering on treasonable felony instituted against him in response to years of campaign for the independent Republic of Biafra. He was released in April 2017 for health reasons but jumped bail after flaunting some of the conditions given to him by the court. He fled Nigeria after soldiers raided his father's residence in Abia State in November 2017. Abubakar Malami had reportedly warned members of IPOB not to attend the court hearing. He said Kanu's lawyers will be allowed into the court premises, but added that branded IPOB t-shirts or caps will not be allowed. But in response to Malami's statement, Emmanuel Powerful, IPOB spokesman, told Vanguard that members of the group have every right to be in court. He added that IPOB members will be peaceful and orderly when they arrive at the court.
Did you hear me? Yes, sir. I don't need it here, right now. You disperse. Or keep calm. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Why? Go to the court. Go in peace. We don't want this gathering. Please go in peace. Go where? Oh, you don't want to go? I want.
Now wow, my people, I don't come again. These people who now they see now they can support Nnamdi Kanu for court. Best as soon as they see so this policeman tell them say make them leave the court premises. Say he no want make them come to that place. Now before you know it now, this policeman go pursue that man. Even to the extent say he go bring out him gun say he won't shoot am. Wetin come surprise me be say these people no be say dem kill person now. Wetin dem come do for court and even sef dem no enter inside the court. Dem come show support to Nnamdi Kanu and I no see anything wey bad about that. No be say dem dey fight or dem dey destroy property. To the extent say this policeman come remove him gun say he go shoot person. The police later pursue these people for the court premises. They no let them enter even for outside sef. Dem later pursue them. So most of the media men wey come there sef, dem no fit enter. Na only 10 media houses na dem allow make dem cover everything. And as una know say as dem dey do Nnamdi Kanu case for Abuja, na so Sunday Igboho sef dey face im own case for Cotonou. So the two of them, one for Yoruba Nation and one for Biafra, dem dey court today. And wetin their supporters dey pray for now be say make the court hearing favour them. That's why they come here. Some of them na from east dem come to Abuja to come show support for Nnamdi Kanu. So this thing wey this policeman do now, e dey against human rights. Na this same matter dem drag for EndSARS that time wey people say make dem end police brutality, and na the same thing this policeman dey do again in front of camera wey many camera full there. So if he catch that man now, wetin he go do? Na wow, my people, na so we see am today. I go dey give una update as the matter dey go. So for now, bye.